I was in the Children's Parliament from the beginning, which was 3 years ago. We would meet once a month in different locations around the islands. Maybe 1 week would be in Eriskay and the next week we could be in Macinnes. And we would be doing things like art and music, and we would discuss things like what we like doing, what we don't like doing, teacher, schoolwork, things like that. Every now and again, they would pick a couple of people to go on trips. The last time I went away, we were in Fife and we were doing a mural about the environment, and we were sleeping in tents, like wigwams. They were cool. The thing I liked best was meeting new people from all around the islands and doing artwork and music. We were doing podcasts with Alex from Young Scott, and one of the things I did was I did a poem about the Western Isles with a partner. The Western Isles, a special place to be, full of treasure, people, land and sea. A landscape of waves, windmills and waving grass, where people head off to mass. Where people are kind and generous, who think splashing dogs are cute, with seagulls flying and where sandpipers scoot. Today the waves were lapping gently on the shore, other times they are crashing and will forevermore.